Only Bataka me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bring on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember the man I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now viewers and subscribers, no doubt, Vybz Kartel has been immortalized in the dancehall history books. And not only because of the chart-topping hits the artist has managed to amass over his career, or the multilateral fan base supporting Vybz Kartel music currently spanning all major cities in all continents and countries across the world. Now viewers and subscribers, the image of Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, has also been immortalized by artists we have forward up. Remember in the days when teacher they rode and I said straight jeans fitted and rosary, the Catholic Church had the amount of rosary train where people forward because them give them a free. Them say people forward and them numbers till people start produce them as fashion jewelry, viewers and subscribers. Now the teacher pointed that out in our statement. Him say even from the days of Jersey and Durang, and that's true. Remember when the teacher found out and I said Jersey, we barely call over season. You know what I mean? We wanted to send in some Jersey for true. A reality. Him say even to the ear extensions and the tattoos. Now this statement, viewers and subscribers, coincide with something we must say intense though. We not call it no. Some people are call it a tribute. We not call it a tribute. And I feel like him do it for attention. He was not acknowledged. And the only reason why we are pointing it out now is because the statement that the teacher said about his image and how, you know what I mean? It has now been a staple in a dancehall music. Intense viewers and subscribers found out on some extensions and go as far as to tag the teacher. And as I say, no attention, no mind, no space to it. But him do it, proving the teacher's statement correct. The image is now basically a rite of passage. Look upon the artists that we are forward up now. And think about dancehall music before Vybz Kartel forward out to that image there. And Vybz Kartel is definitely that artist accredited with when dancehall music was at a stagnant state. And mostly hip hop. Did I bring that vibe even locally? The teacher's music was the music that brought that level of excitement. And him point that out too as well. Him say no other artist no bring the level of excitement where him bring to the genre. And that's true, we have to agree. We not see no other artists bring that level of excitement. Even currently while him behind the bars. And when him up on the road, right now I can tell you this. If the teacher did their road and freedom is a must, soon the teacher drop a road. If the teacher there currently, viewers and subscribers, any fashion style with the teacher that's here, you know what I mean? And that we are do. No doubt that would be the look of dancehall. That will be the look of dancehall. Because remember, majority of aspiring artists, when them start off as, not aspiring artists, them start as fans of the music. That's where it all begins. You being a fan of the music. You being influenced by that artist to that level where I say, what you know? You know, I feel like I have a talent for this. And they try it. And people agree with you. And say, yeah, you know, you have the talent for it. And hopefully, from there, support to build. And you know what I mean, you have people who say, alright, studio, or you might have a producer. And Vybz Kartel has also done this. One of the first artists to show them say, yo, we can manage your own career. Locally. One of the first artists to do that. In this day and age of dancehall music, I say we don't need to have an outside source. We can start a musical group and have even our own indoor resident producer. We are juggling with him because of multiple artists. The artists that are managed at that point in time. In mind, Poppy, Sean Storm, Lisa, Rhino at the time. You don't know what they go on with doing time, Popcorn and Rhino, and you know what I mean? You don't know what go on. But just think about it. But improve the dancehall music, say yo. With the right mindset, it can be done. Dancehall can achieve mainstream status. I'm not sure. Now we are say road to the Grammys. We hashtag it and drop it in. You go virtual left, see me. Road to the Grammys viewers and subscribers. And we're gonna get there. The teacher has the musical capabilities to do it. Is the music being supported though? That may be a topic for another time. But no doubt, even the image of Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers has been immortalized in the dancehall music. Yeah. And as I say, even by the artists that we are proud of, even by the opposition, even by the naysayers. And as I say, being considered the opposition is very beneficial for anybody considered as such. Because think about it, even locally in the parliament, you have to have an opposition. And they are well paid. In a dancehall music, you can always have naysayers. And the naysayers, I look for a camp for them, can say, alright, you can put that person as a person way. Worse if you make the right statements and then you say, alright, that kind of mindset. Put him against, you know what I mean, the general. And make dancehall music, shun him. Forcing him to do more outrageous act. Which beneficial to those who want the genre stay. Because if they want the genre grow, there will be more support for Vybz Kartel and his endeavors. Even producers know where I produce these younger artists. Instead of telling them to look like Vybz Kartel, let me not tell them, say, watch them. Put in the work. Have a vision. Explain to them the scenario. And artists will remember to say, watch them. From a musical standpoint, the record labels aim is to make funds. So, you know what I mean? Food for thought. Definitely food for thought, viewers and subscribers. Fact of the matter is, the teacher's image is now the image of dancehall music, even though the image that they made found out with years ago. Years ago. And still I work today. Still I top the charts today. When I talk to you in the comment section, I know you feel about body language, you drop. The music video drop. One of the most captivating visuals we ever see. I'm not going around it. The visuals captivating. Even the G were in the music video. Even him look like he must say, wait, what I want to say? You know what I mean? Yeah, we like the energy. Definitely like the energy. Talk to me in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. Another big video. And as we say, we're not just leading our hit singles. We have more videos than them as well. We are doing it. We are putting in the work. Wanting to support the movement, support the music. Make sure you pre-order the album. When you pre-order the album, get ready. And know so we're not gonna share. You know what I mean? Stream the album. And do what we need for the car. We need to get the numbers there. You know? The numbers need for the viewers and subscribers. Road to the Grammy. I want the thing there. Talk to me in the comment section. I know the feel about the new track where drop. New music video, I should say. You know what I mean? New music video drop. Talk to me in the comment section about that. And also about the teacher's statement about the image. Do you agree? Do you agree? The facts are there though. And as I say, you don't need to do nothing more than look and dancehall currently. That's all you need to do. Look on dancehall currently, you will realize about wait. That's true. Are the teacher majority of them? I'm not going to say emulate. I don't want artists feel like say what you know. To emulate an artist we're inspired by. It's wrong. You must say a majority of our intellects or creatives or visionaries, we're all inspired by something. Whether it be nature or by an individual. So there's nothing wrong with being inspired. But remember to pay homage. Because remember, without a strong foundation, we can't capitalize on nothing. If you're going to build nothing, you need to start from the foundation. So when we talk about respects, always pay respects as young artists. You know, there's something. But, you know what I mean? Do the thing the right way. The image of Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers are the new style are. Did I say? The image were tried and proven, and is now the new look for dancehall artists when them try seek for reach upon the dancehall mainstream. Talk to me in the comment section if you see the move. Vice the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I reminding them now. If you're new to the movement, new to the channel, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course you like the point of view, well I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon and put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified about fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded. Yeah man, now move settings for my own need no ladder. My sentiments for you and yours that will live, love and prosper until the reason again.